Hey guys, I'm just sharing a day that I had at the Indianapolis Art Museum, and we got to go to the Lume exhibit showing off the Van Gogh. So it's the Lume Van Gogh exhibit at the Indianapolis Art Museum, and yeah, I was just chilling out with friends and family there, and walked around the place with my wife, my daughter, and her friend. And then we had some other friends that came along with us that also walked around the exhibit. And so it was a really cool exhibit. I had never been to an art exhibit that not only flashed paintings on the walls, but it also flashed paintings on the floor. So it was really cool. Some people sat on the floor and some people stood up, and they were flashing Van Gogh's paintings both on the floor and also on the walls. And I just wanted to share this experience with you guys. And once again, this is an experience at the Indianapolis Art Museum, and it's the Lumen exhibit showing off Van Gogh's paintings. And it was just a really cool interactive paintings. And yeah, it was neat to see Van Gogh's paintings on the walls. Some of the other things that, as you can see, there's artwork on the floor there. Some of the other things they showed was also some other, like midway through this video, there's some modern artwork that's also thrown up on the wall. But a lot of the exhibit involved throwing up Van Gogh's paintings on both the wall and also the floor. And yes, I'm talking to my daughter while Van Gogh's paintings are going up on the wall, and we're having a really nice conversation. Both of us are talking about that it's kind of surreal that we can see Van Gogh's paintings on the wall and also on the floor. So it's a very interactive art exhibit I'd been to. It's the first one that I've been to that had showed visuals like that, throwing up the Van Gogh's artwork on the wall and also on the floor. And there were lots of families there. I was there with my family and friends, and it was just a really cool experience. You felt like you were literally dropped inside Van Gogh's paintings, and it was really cool. And later in this video, you'll see photos of me sharing Van Gogh's writings that he has on his paintings and stuff. I was taking pictures at just the right time so that the writings and Van Gogh's paintings would be on the back of his writings there. So it originally is not set up that way. And I had a blast having a conversation with my daughter while I was chilling out watching Van Gogh's artwork. Just a really cool interactive way to experience art. And yeah, and then of course it's blown up really huge since it's splashed on these walls and floors. And just a really cool art exhibit, and also a really cool way to spend time with my daughter. So yeah, we were talking a little bit during watching some of the artwork of Van Gogh's work, so it was pretty cool. But yeah, I've never been to an art exhibit that did that threw up the Van Gogh's artwork on the walls and also on the floor. It was just very neat, and I really wanted to share this with you guys. Yeah, I just think it's a really cool way to see Van Gogh's work. So of course they had music while they're throwing this up on the wall. That's why I'm not sharing the audio. So yeah, I'm going to throw some music up on this, but it won't be from the exhibit. It'll be non-copyrighted music that I'll throw up on here. But yeah, just a very awesome way to see artwork. So yeah, Van Gogh's artwork was really awesome to watch, and I love that it was so interactive, and I love that they threw his artwork on the wall, Van Gogh's artwork on the wall. It was really cool. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video, and I just want to show you how I spent my day. So I'll talk to you later. Take care, and enjoy the rest of the video. This is a replica of Van Gogh's bedroom. My wife's taking the photos. My daughter's sitting on the bed, and that's my daughter's friend sitting on the chair there. And they wanted to take some photos of the replica of Van Gogh's bedroom. And as you see, there's some of Van Gogh's paintings behind them as they take their photos. And I was just taking a quick video while they were taking photos there in the replica of Van Gogh's bedroom. So yeah, it's kind of cool. People got to sit on the bed or the chair there. Some people were smiling as they were taking pictures, and then some people were making faces, the kind of faces you would see in the Van Gogh paintings. And so yeah, that's my wife sitting on the bed there, and she was trying to have her face look really somber, because that's the kind of poses you see in the Van Gogh paintings. So yeah, it's kind of cool. People get to take their photo and then my wife's thinking I'm taking a photo, and at the end I'm telling her I'm taking a video, so she started laughing. It was pretty funny. Yay! That was cool. Another cool day at the Indianapolis Art Museum. Super cool. Ooh, that one's locked. Oops. All right. Just a beautiful day at the Indianapolis Art Museum. It's the Indianapolis Art Museum, right? Cool. Indianapolis Art Museum, New Fields. Pretty awesome. Say the name of the exhibit we were at. So we saw the Van Gogh show, pretty awesome. Talked a little bit about Van Gogh's life. Super, super cool. Hope you guys and gals are all doing well out there. This is your boy JR, aka Lume Bushcraft. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Later, Garrett. Take care, everybody.